Hi everybody, I'm Angel and I'm a yummy vegan. And I wanted to come back on today and talk about aquatic animals are sentient beings. For most of my life, I did not realize that aquatic animals are sentient beings. I did not realize that they felt pain, suffering, joy. Yes, it's true, I've seen throughout my life dolphins jumping for joy in oceans and even in aquariums that were created by humans to imprison them for the entertainment benefit of humans. So to some extent I did understand, at least for dolphins, that they expressed joy. However, for the rest of the aquatic animal kingdom, quite frankly, I was ignorant. I really didn't understand that aquatic animals are sentient beings. They can even recognize each other. They have relationships. They make love to each other. They choose their mates. They care for their children. So who are we as humans to go and interfere with that ecosystem, with the lives of other sentient beings who were placed here on Earth for their own specific reasons and roles? I really encourage anyone who is still on the standard diet and lifestyle, who is still consuming aquatic animals and land animals, to please ditch the standard diet and lifestyle and switch to a vegan diet and lifestyle. Don't take my word for it only. Do your own research, reading, documentaries, podcasts, follow some experts. It's time that we educate ourselves instead of just burying our heads in the sand as if everything is hunky-dory. And also I invite you to do some research on global warming, climate change, pollution, zero waste. It's really all of our responsibility to keep learning and understanding the other earthlings who are on this planet with us. And so I just really want to invite you to share your thoughts about aquatic animals or sentient beings, because I would super love to hear your thoughts about this. And I hope you're doing great. And until we see each other again, take good care. And bon appetit. And bon voyage.